Price action indicators will help give you a massive edge in the market. In this video, I'm going to show you the best price action trading view indicator. 90% of traders lose consistently, but if they had to just do the opposite of what they were doing, they would win consistently, right? The market is either going up or going down. It's either a buy or a sell. If you have a 50% chance of winning each trade, why do 90% of traders lose? Think very carefully about this. You are being manipulated into losing. How, you might be wondering. Before I go into more details, make sure to stay till the end of this video. I'm going to be breaking down a trade that I used with our price action indicator and strategy. I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to make 90% on this trade using this exact formula that we teach at Easy Algo. How are you being manipulated into losing your trades? This is a very important question. Through FOMO-induced trading manipulation that makes you trade emotionally, causing you to make the wrong decision at the right time consistently. Your best friend and worst enemy in trading is your mindset about how the markets really work. The master pattern is the holy grail trading pattern that will give you this understanding of how to avoid this manipulation. It is based on the 3 market phases: the contraction phase, the expansion phase, and the profit-taking phase. These 3 phases happen in every asset class, whether it's crypto, forex, indices, and it doesn't matter what time frame you're on. You will see this pattern playing out over and over again. By knowing how this pattern is unfolding will give you the biggest edge into not falling into this manipulation trap. Let me show you exactly how it works. I'm sure you've heard the phrase, buy low and sell high. This is the key. You want to always be entering your long positions underneath the value line, and you always want to enter your short positions above the value line. These contraction phase boxes, as you can see over here, they produce these value lines, and these value lines show you where are the best places to avoid the manipulation. You always want to enter your long positions underneath the value to keep you in the safest position, and you always want to enter your short positions above the value line to keep you in the safest position. In order to win in the markets, you have to reverse what you've learned from traditionally taught trading strategies. You have to learn to think the absolute opposite. Let me show you exactly how it works. Let's jump on the charts. I'm going to break down this trade for you, and I'm going to show you exactly how the master pattern keeps you on the winning side of the market and keeps you safe from the manipulation. All right, guys, I'm here on the charts with Sun USDT. This is one of the crypto tokens I was trading recently, and I got a very successful winning trade out of it. I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to do it using the master pattern strategy. So the first thing we always want to look at, we always want to go to the higher time frame. Over here, I've got the 12-hour chart and the indicators I'm using. For the higher time frame chart, I'm only using Imbalance X. Imbalance X is a price action indicator that lets you know when the market goes into bearish round trips or bullish round trips. It shows you where the momentum in the market is primarily focused, whether it's more focused towards long trades or whether it's more focused towards short trades. As you can see, I'm on the 12-hour over here, which is a very high time frame, and it's letting us know. You can see we've still got the red fair value gap line, which is letting us know that it is in a very bearish environment and that majority of traders are going short. When you have more traders going short than long, inevitably the price goes down. We've also got this Heiken-ishi candles over here showing these flat back bearish candles. These are 2 confirmations I like to always check from time to time that lets you know what is happening on the higher time frame. Remember, the higher time frame is your trading environment, and we need to know what is happening on the environment you're trading within before you look for entries. Once we've confirmed this, that now we are in fact in a bearish downtrend, then we can jump onto the lower time frame and we can start looking for entries. What I've done in this scenario is that I've added Imbalance X onto the charts, and it has a multi-time frame functionality. So I've added it to be a 4-hour chart, which is helping us stay in alignment with what's happening in the momentum of the market. So this red line over here is showing us that on the 4-hour time frame, we are in a defined downtrend trend. And then I add indicator X to the charts. Indicator X is our ultimate price action indicator. It's designed to help you understand how the smart money trade keep you on the winning side. It really shows you the best possible places for your entries. Indicator X will help you enter your positions always at the best locations. So you can see over here, if we are in a downtrend, you can see we're in a clear downtrend signified by our imbalance X indicator. If this is true, then all we are doing is we are going to be looking for short positions every time price is above these value lines. Can you see these red lines? These are value lines. These are letting you know where are the best places to look for shorts and longs. Only places we want to look for short positions in this scenario is when price is above these value lines. So you can see every time price is above the value line, we're going to be looking for our short positions. Because remember, step number one, identify the bias of the market. Clearly the market is going down, signified by imbalance X, which is our fair value gap indicator, which I found to be one of the best indicators you will ever use to understand the direction and bias of the market. Once you're clear on that, then all we have to do is look for our entries. And then I use another indicator called the TDIX. It acts as a companion tool to assist you with even getting more perfect entries and confirmations. So you can see what we look for over here is we look for these shark fins. These shark fins confirm that this is a high likelihood of a reversal occurring in our prime location. So you can see this would have been one of our best places to enter. We keep going, this would have been another place. You can see it also marks divergences. When the TDIX marks a divergence, that is also a high probability reversal zone. So this would have been another entry, but I missed all of those entries. I ended up entering over here. And as you can see, guys, this strategy is super simple. Step number one, make sure you're in a bearish environment of imbalance X. Once that's confirmed, then all we got to do is wait for our master patterns to form. You can see these square boxes are contraction zones. They let you know when one of the cycles is starting on the time frame you're entering in. The market goes through a 3-phase cycle. Step number one is contraction, is the box. Then we got step number two. We know expansion is going to happen next. We go into the expansion phase. And then the third phase is the trending phase, where we get this deviation away from value. So we want to enter our trade when price goes into the second phase, which is the expansion phase. And since we are on a confirmed downtrend, confirmed by imbalance X, we're only looking for short positions when price is above the value line, in combination with these shark fins on the TDIX. You can see this is the shark. When we get this wide RSI band breaking out of the Bollinger Band and coming back, this is letting us know that there's volatility happening. And this is potentially one of the best places to look for an entry. This is exactly where I entered the trade. You will also notice we have reversal candles happening over here. Reversal candles is also another confluence we can use to give you more confidence that you're entering in the right place. So I entered my position right over here, and it was absolutely an incredible entry. So what I did was I entered into the expansion phase, one of the expansion legs. And you can see there were 3 different legs. We had expansion 1, expansion 2, and then another expansion leg over here, before price decided to go into a trending phase. The way I describe this indicator, it's kind of like you're a surfer and you're trying to catch a perfect wave. Now, indicator X shows you the best places to enter on that wave so that you can ride that downtrend and get the maximum out of your position. So I entered the trade over here and I held it for quite a while, guys. I held it, it came all the way down, it bounced. I mean, there were so many more entries. I did not enter again. I actually entered this trade and I had a few other things to do and I walked away from the chart. But if I wanted to enter again, here would have been another amazing opportunity. You can see above value line, we've got shark fins on the TDIX occurring. If we keep going, you can see there were multiple entries we could have entered. Over here was another perfect entry. Over here was another perfect entry. So many fantastic entries, guys. Indicator X is the absolutely best tool to find entries for your trading, hands down. And this is where I exited my trade over here, exactly at this level. I was targeting a liquidity line on the higher time frame, which is round about here. And as it broke through that, I ended up exiting my trade and walking away with a nice 90% profit. If you want to learn more about this incredible strategy, make sure you click on the link in the description, come to our website, And check it out, guys. We have multiple indicators you can use. We have crypto scanner that scans the market, helps you find the best coins to trade. We do live trading every single day. We got 4 live trainings per week. We teach you exactly how to master these indicators and the strategy. We also have a 3-day free trial. So click on the link, come join us in the group, test out our software, test out the indicators, and I can guarantee you, you will take your trading to another level.